Hello, I'm Tess Prince and welcome to my outside kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the most beautiful love balls, and they're so easy to make and you will not believe how delicious they are. All you need is 2 pieces of equipment, and that is a food processor and your hands. It couldn't be more simple, so really you must give these a go because they're a pleasure to make but even more of a pleasure to eat. What inspired me for the next one is my grandmother's lemon poppy seed drizzle cake, which was just divine. So this is a healthier version of it. We've got cashews, coconut oil, and that's local honey, and then a cashew butter. I've made that myself, but of course you can buy a pre-blended cashew butter. And then we've got some poppy seeds. And this is a secret ingredient, and it's a lemongrass oil, but it's food grade, so it's really an essential oil that you can eat. Can't get any of this magic ingredient, you can of course use the juice and the zest of a lemon or a lime, because that also goes really well with poppy seeds. So I'll start with the cashew nuts, give them a mix up. Then you can put in your unsweetened coconut. That's an organic coconut oil, partially melted. I've got a beautiful local honey here. Cashew butter. And then finally, my poppy seeds. And this is the lemongrass oil. As I said, it's super potent, so I will literally just measure in really 1, 2, 3 drops, and that's completely enough. Because you've got the coconut oil in here, you're going to get a really runny mixture, so this one you do need to chill down once you've blended. So the mixture has been in the fridge for a few hours and it's nice and solid. And I've got my scoop, but you can use a teaspoon. So here for a colour contrast, I've got some bee pollen, some zest of fresh lime and some dried rose petals. But again, feel free, just have a play with any topping that you think will look nice, what you've got access to. So again, you've got to work quickly with this one. Just going to dip them into the lime zest. And then just a little bit of rose petal. So for full recipe details and other variations, go to my website, lovefoodibiza.com. Thanks for watching.